Now coming to next concept, that is money measurement concept. Money measurement concept is one of the concepts of the accounting according to which only those transactions and events are recorded in the books which can be measured in terms of money. In other words, all those events and transactions which could not be quantified in monetary terms are not recorded in the financial statement of the company. For example, transactions are not recorded in the financial statements. That is, transaction events which cannot be expressed in terms of money are as follows. It is honesty of the employees, working skills of the employees and workers, and the working atmosphere of the organization, quality of products and services, satisfaction of stakeholders, safety measure within the company to prevent any hazard, all those things. So basically what this concept says, that transactions and events are recorded in the books which can only be measured in terms of money, and non-monetary transactions and events like these examples you cannot record in the books of accounts. If you look at this animated picture, one example, all recorded transactions must be quantified. See, this employee is thinking that my monthly salary is $9,000 and is thinking that I am very honest, my honesty is worth $1 lakh. Now which one should be recorded in the books of accounts? You tell me, whether $9,000 or $1 lakh which he assumed. Obviously it is $9,000 only. What it says, whatever happening inside the company or businesses, you cannot express in terms of money. Only those transactions and events which can be expressed in terms of money you can record in the books of accounts. Whether employees are honest or not, we don't know. Whether the skills of the employees and workers very much good, we don't know. The working atmosphere of the organization, how can you express in terms of money? The quality of the products and services, how can you say? Satisfaction of stakeholders, how can you say? Maybe some stakeholders are not satisfied with the company's performance, or maybe some stakeholders are satisfied with the company's performance. Then what are the safety measures that company has taken to prevent any hazard? How can you express in terms of money? You cannot express. So this is one of the disadvantage of money measurement concept. Now money measurement concept has one great advantage, that it helps a concern to express items of diverse nature such as bank balance, stock, machinery, buildings and so on in terms of common denominator called money, and add them up for the purpose of knowing the total worth of assets at any particular time. For instance, if a concern has bank balance rupees 10,000, 1,000 tons of stock in trade, 3 computers and 10 steel cabinets, 2 machines and 2 buildings. Now how can you express? It is only possible through money. That's why the concept is money measurement concept. These assets you can express in terms of money if you know their values, like bank balance has given rupees 10,000 and stock rupees 50,000, furniture rupees 48,000, that is 3 computers worth 30,000 plus 10 steel cabinets rupees 18,000, put together 48,000, 2 machinery rupees 50,000 and buildings, that is 2 buildings rupees 1 lakh. Now you can add them up, the values of all these assets, and to state the total worth of the assets of the business, that is 2,58,000. So this is how you can measure all the assets, not only assets, also liabilities or expenses, revenues in terms of money. So if it is in India, then it is in rupees. If it is in USA, then it is dollar, or any other country, their respective currencies. So this is regarding money measurement concept.